guys, welcome back to
Our Smart Kitchen.
This is a special video that is we are taking over our mom's channel. So instead of our mom cooking here, we three will be cooking for you.
After a lot of argument and fight, we found it! A perfect recipe.
Yes, a perfect one to serve your family during this quarantine.
So, what are we guys gonna make? Custard drink!
Okay, so let's get started.
So firstly, let's begin by preparing the custard. So for that, you will be needing 2.5 tablespoons of custard powder and a cup of milk. So firstly, let's put this custard powder to a bowl. So now let's pour a cup of milk to the bowl. Now you have to whisk it continuously. So here I'm using a mini whisker instead of a spoon because I find it more convenient. And you can also use a spoon for mixing, it's up to you. So as it has well mixed now, let's move on to the next step.
Now let's turn on the stove and place a saucepan and pour the custard mixture into it.
Take a whisker and whisk it until it forms thick. Oh my goodness, look at the way how she's mixing it.
Can you please stop being so lame? So it has become thick and this is the correct consistency. And now let's transfer this to a bowl and keep aside to cool.
This looks so satisfying. I feel to eat it right now.
Second step, we will be using a mixer. And then here we have boiled and chilled milk. And then we have the custard which we had prepared earlier. So in that hurry, we forgot to add sugar. So you have to add around 2 tablespoons of sugar or more if you need. And then we have here is homemade condensed milk. My mom had prepared it for us and we'll be very soon uploading a video in YouTube. So you can watch it. So let's begin. Yeah, so firstly we will be putting this custard into the mixer. Yeah. And like this is a bit messy. Yeah, it's okay. So weird. So you just press.
Okay, so now let's pour this silky condensed milk, and I think I have used here 3/4 cup. So now let's pour half a liter of boiled and chilled milk to the blender. And oops, I accidentally spilled the milk.
So now let's blend this mixture. Okay, so our mixture is blended, as you can see. So now let's layer it. So now for serving, we have here apples, chopped apples, finely chopped, or you can chop it according to your wish. Okay, and we have pomegranate. Then this is basil seed, soaked basil seed in water, and some nuts. I have taken here pistachios, and you can use whatever you want. It's up to you. We'll be adding the fruits. You can add how much fruits you want, but I'm adding here because I don't like much apples, so yeah. I'll just add 1 tablespoon. But I like.
An apple makes the doctor away.
Okay, so put 4 more to my plate. Okay. Yeah. So as my sister likes more apples, I'll add more for her. And put 4. Yeah. she likes a lot. So
Yeah, both of us liking, whereas you don't like.
yeah, then this is my favorite, so I'll add a bit more. I love pomegranate so much. Okay, so since I spilled the milk last time, I'm asking my mom to pour this for me, the custard milk. Can you show it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I, pour it, I might spill it, so I'll call my mom. Yeah, like. If surface there, why should we ignore it? Okay, now for the final thing, that is we're adding the basil seed. I like basil seed a lot. I'm really adding almost like 2 tablespoons. Okay, it's like getting it. And for you?
It's fine. How much?
Don't put it. You don't like basil seed? I'm just putting little, okay? Yeah, since she doesn't like. And now the nuts, okay? So I'm adding. I like more pistachios. Okay, so our custard is ready. Now let's click amazing pictures.
And thank you guys for watching video, and I hope you all like the recipe, and I do hope that you will share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, share and also comment. And for more contents, keep watching, and once again, thank you.